What if nature had a seed so powerful it's been called a remedy for almost everything? Welcome back to RT Merce Naturals, your trusted source for organic health and beauty products. Today, we're talking about black seed oil, a natural treasure with a history that goes back thousands of years. Cold pressed from the seeds of the Nigella sativa plant, black seed oil is rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and beneficial plant compounds. Traditionally, it's been used to support the immune system, maintain healthy skin, and promote overall wellness. Many people also use it as part of their daily routine for hair care and digestive health. Our black seed oil is 100% pure, unrefined, and free from additives, ensuring you get the full natural benefit in every drop. You can take it by the teaspoon, mix it into warm drinks, or use it topically for skin and hair care. This content is for educational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or have a medical condition. Order your pure black seed oil today from rtmerce.co.za. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural wellness guides and product tips from RT Mercy Naturals. See you in the next video.